I'm ready to go. Get my water. Take this with me. Get my phone. It's 4:58 in the morning. It's pitch black outside and rainy. I am so cold. I hate driving when it's dark outside. It is 5:02 in the morning. I'm on the way to the gym. Sorry if I don't talk too much in the beginning just because I'm literally so freaking tired. I don't see one person here at the gym. It's really so cold, but I actually feel really good. So if you guys want to go to the gym in the morning, the only thing that sucks about it is that it's freezing and it's dark, but other than that, it's fine. I just ran for 20 minutes and now I'm stretching and doing abs and arms. I just finished my workout. That was a good little workout. As I was filming this video, I was kind of running a little bit behind, but whatever. I mean, I got a good workout in. Okay, you guys are probably like, what the heck, Maya? Like, how do you wake up that early to go to the gym? I actually just started doing this. This is probably week 2 of waking up and going to the gym in the morning, and I actually really like it. I would think that I'd be more tired because I'm not getting as much sleep. I am so much more energized when I work out in the morning. I just got home. I'm trying not to be loud because my whole entire family is still sleeping, so I have to be a little bit quiet. Should I wear my Birks or my tennis shoes? Let's see. Guys, I don't know which one. I'm gonna ask my dad. Dad? He said these. I seriously have to hurry. I'm wasting so much time. Oh my god, okay. This is the outfit that I'm working with to wear uniforms to school. I'm wearing my Birks because they're comfortable. I'm really comfy, and I literally took a body shower because I'm gonna be playing in the game tonight, so it's literally horrible. Do you see all these like curlies? My hair looks bad, but I'm gonna have someone redo it. So ignore my messy kitchen and ignore that this camera is tilted. I'm in a huge rush and I don't have time. Yeah. Banana for lunch, orange for lunch. I meal plan, and so I'm heating this up. If you guys wanna know what I eat in a day, vegan, I will do that for you guys. Really good, and I meal plan and do it for school because I'm in high school and it's really hard to eat vegan and eat healthy while you're in school. So I'm gonna go heat this up. I'm making oatmeal for breakfast. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is what I have for breakfast. It's oatmeal with raspberries, Justin's almond butter in here, and strawberries. Really, really good. Oh, great. 6:46 a.m. It's 44 degrees outside. I am about, oh my god, why do I look so bad? I didn't feel like putting on makeup either. Here we go. It's gonna be a great day even though the weather sucks outside right now, but I am going to end my morning routine here. This is pretty much it. Keep drinking my coffee and enjoy my morning. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna maybe win this game. It's our first game today, so. Did you guys just hear that? Something just fell on the top of my head. My morning is going, there's so many things that are like pinging at me to like make me like mad. I've had a lot of signs to tell me that it's gonna be a bad day, but you know what? I'm gonna make it a really good day and I'm not letting any of that stop me. So hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.